be popping open this air mattress right here to just go ahead and see what it looks like whenever you get it coming straight out. So, looks like it's actually in some really nice packaging right here. Really nice little carrying case. You got your directions right here, and then you have 4 little patches down here so where you can actually go and patch it if anything crazy happens, which that is really cool. So let's go ahead, untie this, and see. All right, so it's right here. They have it boxed up really nice. And then that is the carrying case. I'm not throwing it away. Just kind of set it back in there. And then it looks like you have a built-in pump, but you also have this quick release valve to let the air out, which is really sweet because sometimes it just takes forever to get the air out. So that'll probably really speed the process up. This is a queen size, I want to say, but yeah, it looks like it's really good quality. The packaging was really cool. Yeah, it's a queen. Oh, it's eco-friendly too. It's a fly top, so this thing should be extremely comfortable. But yeah, that's what it's gonna look like whenever you first get it. Okay, let's go ahead and see how long this bed is actually gonna go to take to inflate. So down here is where my pump end is. And let's just go ahead. Let's just keep it like this. You know, let's say that you don't actually want to go and crack this thing open. Got the built-in pump right here. Looks like a potentially super long wire. Yes, it is. So that's really nice to have always. So go ahead and plug it in, and then we might have we got deflate and inflate. Really easy to see. So let's go ahead and inflate. Let's see how quick it goes. Almost all the way up. And let's see. So a little more air in. Let's go ahead and stop it. So yeah, that's how quick it inflates right there. It's really cool. I can see what they're talking about. It's like got those rounded edges to it. But yeah, it honestly inflates really quickly. This is the OlarHike Air Mattress right here. Just got it, and I actually just inflated it. So I'm going to be reviewing, kind of telling you how comfortable it is whenever I actually go and lay on it. And it does feel pretty good. One of the cool things that I like about it is like this rounded edges right here. I feel like it definitely like makes it a little bit more like cushiony whenever you're actually laying on it. I don't know if that's what the design is supposed to help do, but it definitely feels that way. So yeah, super comfortable. It inflates in about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. So that's super cool. It's got the built-in pump on it, which is really nice whenever you're going. You know, just one less item to keep a hold of and then keep track of. And then you also have this carrying case that it comes with 4 patches too. So yeah, this thing is definitely really solid. This is the queen size right here. It also comes in a king and a twin. But yeah, this thing's super awesome. Definitely a huge fan of it, and I would definitely highly recommend it. How quick we can actually go and deflate this air mattress right here. It actually has this plug that we can pull and we can put it on deflate mode. So this thing should honestly go down pretty quick. But let's go ahead and see. almost all done right here. It's honestly pretty quick. So here we go. And it's pretty much deflated now. So yeah, this thing deflates super quickly.